We got the Travis Scott burger, we got the fries, and the barbecue sauce, and we got the burger right here. I don't think we're a few days late, but let's get it. We're gonna have a great time. Let's go. Big. All right, this is gonna be my first bite of the Travis Scott burger. Big. Let's go. One-hander. Let's go. One-handed. Okay, let's go. It's lit. Pog. Thumbs up. Dip the fries in barbecue sauce. Big. We're gonna try the barbecue sauce fries. Let's get a few. Going. Here we go. Big. Here we go. All right, last bite. I'm gonna eat it backwards. Ready? Big.